Hello stalkers, welcome back. So we are in the last month of 2023. Month of December saw huge volumes, new IPOs, listings and many other positive news from the companies. Now we are looking forward for the yearly closing. Let's see how the markets close for the rest of the month. For now, in this video we will discuss Fertiglobe. But before that, as usual, if you are new here, please subscribe for regular updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. Do not forget to on the notification so that you get notified whenever I post my videos. And yes, after watching this video, if you think it has helped you, then please do not forget to support, hit the like button for me. This is the daily chart of Fertiglobe. We can see as of now it's in a defined downtrend. We can see previously this trend line was acting as a support. We were seeing nice buying coming in. This trend line was respected again and again. Even till here we saw some bounces, but then finally selling pressure broke this trend line right on 13th of October, that was Friday. And from here selling pressure continues. Exactly, this is what I keep saying. If support is broken and when it comes back for a retest for the first time, the same zone acts as a resistance. We saw selling pressure right into the same zone. Why does this happen? Because this is the place where most of the buyers got trapped. In other words, they bought right here and then price fell aggressively. So obviously many of the investors and traders are in loss due to this fall to the downside. So when it will hit for the first time, same buyers will try to offload their position. And it also coincided with the dividend date. So we saw this gap down opening as price gets adjusted after the dividends. For now we can see it has broken important area of support. Let me highlight that. And this is the area of support that I was mentioning in my videos as well, right here. Let's mark this one as support zone. And the support zone is between 3.10 to 3.15 area. We can see previously some good bounces coming in from this zone, and right from this zone it tried to cross this resistance that was previously a support, and we saw huge selling pressure coming in. It tried to recover from here, but we could not see aggressive buying pressure. And finally, what happens when buyers are not interested at a particular level? It breaks to the downside. For now we can see it has approached a very important area of support, that is around 2.90 to 2.95, and we can see some buying coming in today. But let me tell you, this stock is in a downtrend. This is not yet converted into a uptrend. So what can happen from here is we can see some buying coming in and it will try to hit this resistance that was previously a support. As I just explained you here, this was support, the same zone is now resistance. Exactly the same scenario, this was support, and now when it will try to hit, this will act as a resistance. So this is a good for early bird entry in case if you are planning to hold this stock for long term, because potentially if you are entering at current level, then you can say that you have entered almost at the bottom, because if you are trying to catch the bottom of a stock, then you have to take a risk, because there are very high chances from here it may start to go up. Obviously not like this, but slowly and steadily it may go sideways, then again a move to the upside, sideways, then up. But there are chances that you have caught a trend right from the bottom. In other words, if you are planning to enter now, your stop loss should be just below the low of this candle, that is below 2.90. You can place it around 2.88 or 2.89 and then just leave this stock. As I mentioned, it can recover and go up. It means our analysis is 100% correct and we make good money. In other scenario, let it go down, take our stop loss to prove us that we are wrong, which is also good, because what we are trying to do here is we are trying to catch a trend right from the bottom. So there is high risk, but at the same time there is high reward as well. For example, right at this moment when I had mentioned it's almost a bottom for Fertiglobe, and from here we saw fresh trend starting to the upside. It almost hit till about 3.75, and from here we are seeing a decline. So we can see a similar kind of reaction right into this zone. I'm expecting a buying pressure, a continuation to the upside from current level. Yes, there are chances it may go sideways and then maybe it can make a breakout. If it spends time here and then makes a breakout, it will be more healthier, as buyers and sellers will accumulate in this zone, and then we will be able to see a fresh trend to the upside. So guys, stalk this one closely. Never know, this is the big opportunity in the market. I hope you have understood this analysis. If you got the logic, then please do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.